So I walked almost 17 miles because I was curious. Now, I was intrigued by this isolated mountain community that I'd heard about. So I set out to find it and see it for myself. The journey began smoothly, but then everything changed.
There's a farm, this will come up, you know. Move!
I got lost.
Go this way. So.
I encountered unexpected things.
Guys, at the building, you know? The building there.
And at times, frustration set in.
Peeps. My heart now give me for going to say, you know.
There were moments when I pushed my limits,
Really loose.
and the risk was real. But then, as I ventured deeper into the community, I was told about a site on a hill that sent my curiosity through the roof and had me going deeper into the woodlands in search of this historical treasure.
Yes, Elder. How far from us to Beacon Hill?
And this is Beacon Hill there.
Beacon Hill. How far from Grampian?
Go down high river.
Yeah, if you find the stone building then.
Oh, about four miles. 2 miles from here, so you reach Barras Gap.
Yeah.
I want Bush Road gone up, so I up there.
Yeah, guys, so the other day I did the Mount Felix hike. I really appreciate the support, I really appreciate the feedback, and I realize a lot of people have been meeting their family members, long lost family members. So I've been seeing in the comments where people have been mentioning Beacon Hill. So I searched for Beacon Hill on Google Earth, and while searching for Beacon Hill I found Beacon Hill and decided to run it against my 1804 map. Because Beacon Hill, the names suggest something. You know, it's one of those places, because all over Jamaica we've got places named Beacon Hill, as in St. Anne, St. Mary, in St. Andrew, and these places were used back then. Mostly after the Taki Rebellion, the colonial authorities set up beacons, and these were lookout points up in the hills of certain parishes. So then I started to research on my 1804 map, and I saw where there was a site called Grampian, the one I mentioned the other day. Yeah, so I will be trying to find that site also and show you the community of Beacon Hill. Alright, so we'll see how far we can get. I'm not sure how far we will get, but this should be an interesting vlog. Guys, river down there, no peeps. Yeah man, lovely river. Copyright music are playing in the background though. So I have to cut camera for a while. We're around, so we're going. But yeah, welcome back guys. Really appreciate the support. Really appreciate y'all being here with me. We're on our way up to Beacon Hill and to find the ruins of the Grampian sugar plantation. Alright, so gonna follow me. River guys. Water, so we should be seeing water when we head up into Beacon Hill. I'm gonna check back the audio and see if the copyright music can come through. Seems to be a lovely community. Yeah. So guys, if you enjoy videos like these, type greenery and let us officially start the hike. Down there we're coming from, guys. Beautiful hillside over there. So we're going further up into the hill to see Beacon Hill. These rocks. I want to notice about them, okay, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah? So we're heading up to Beacon Hill and I'll be coming down the other side on the Bath Fountain Road. Here. So if we're lucky and have time, I'll show y'all the Bath Fountain for those of y'all who have never seen the Bath Fountain before. I think everybody see the Bath Fountain by now still. You know, if you haven't ever seen it, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright. Yeah guys, so Beacon Hill was one of those communities that were selected strategically for its location because colonial authorities wanted to see out, you know. And then after emancipation, a little bit before emancipation, when these people, these planters were leaving, you know, the Maroons and unpaid laborers who had left plantations, they took over these places, and it was used for the same purpose, you know, to signal when there's an attack, signal uprising, signal when troops are coming, you know. So that's what these communities were used for. And not only in Jamaica, in Antigua, St. Vincent, in Barbados, and I did a couple of vlogs in Barbados. Y'all can check those out, you know. But it's the same, where we've got Beacon Hill all over the Caribbean because that's what they named these places. So today we'll go up in a Beacon Hill, Eastern St. Thomas. Alright, beautiful hillside over there. Lovely. Here. So I heard that it's far, but we're kind of early still, so I think we have time. See hillside, so I road down there, so I road that down there, so I wonder if the road I come off a while ago. If that are the road I climb come up, could be, you know. Look at the hillside over there, guys. We'll go further up because we go past the copyright music that was playing. So house down there. Right, I wouldn't live down here so still because I see the road here, I see the house there, the roof. However, I guess he or she has been living there for years. A house up on the hill. So we'll go further up in a Beacon Hill. Yeah. That's deep. A whole lot of bamboo, guys, up in the hill. Beautiful. Yeah guys, we'll go up further. Could have sworn I see somebody come down the road and I see them again. So I don't know.
Beacon Hill is situated in the hills of St. Thomas, Jamaica, and holds profound historical significance. During the colonial era, it was an integral part of Jamaica's plantation system, where sugar production was paramount. The hills, including Beacon Hill, were strategically important for overseeing these plantations and acting as lookout points. These elevated sites were utilized to signal warnings about potential unrest or the movement of unpaid workers who had sought freedom. As time passed, the history of Beacon Hill evolved. Following the emancipation of unpaid labor in the 1830s, the communities around Beacon Hill began to transform. Farmer workers and their descendants settled in these areas, forging new communities and enriching the local culture. Even as they faced challenges, these communities persevered, contributing a rich heritage that continues to this day. Today, Beacon Hill stands as a testament to both the historical struggles and the resilience of those who lived there. It serves as a reminder of the colonial past and the journey toward freedom and community rebuilding.
Yeah, guys, so as I said, a lot of these places were taken over after emancipation. Yeah, and these were people who wanted to get away from the plantation life, so they came up in the hills and they used these places for the same purpose. Beacon Hill, and as the name suggests, was a lookout point. Yeah, and I'm really curious because they are the ruins of the Grampian sugar estate, and I want to show you all that first. I think I can show them that first. Them said far, but you know me, I'm always trying to beat the challenge. Yeah, you know, look over there, so guys. It's a spring, you know. You know me, I always try to beat the challenge. So hopefully we can accomplish this mission. Let me show you this. It's a spring over there. Yeah, water cool, guys. I water cool like to come out of the fridge. Peeps, the water cool like to come out of the fridge, yo. Yeah, and I think it's healthy for drinking. Well, I can't say healthy, you know. It's good for drinking, yeah. And with the way, I go further up the road. I have water in my bag still. And guys, yeah, I always have water in my bag. Sometimes the water end up come back home with me, you know. And again, just want to let you all know, I'm a lone hiker. I prefer to hike alone. I enjoy nature more. I'm not being selfish, but I enjoy nature more. If it's a hiking tour, that's different. Yeah, I'm willing to take any one of y'all to any one of the sites, but that would be different. But like creating content and going to explore these places for the first time, trying to find them, I would prefer to go alone, in order not to bring anyone and let them get lost or anything like that, you know? Yeah, so we could see if we can do the hike, you know? It's like a next spring up here, guys. I want it deep. Really deep. Really deep. Yeah, guys. I'll go over that side here. Could have sworn I see somebody behind me all the time. I don't know who, you know. But yeah, I don't know who. Yeah, guys. I'm spring on also. Nice little fall, nice little spring. Yeah guys, but I don't know dopey thing or no ghost thing. I turn around on that time and I see somebody a follow me. In a full white, one white shorts and one white shirt. I don't know dopey thing. You see me? One youth. But maybe him turning one of the yard them or something. But now it a freak me out because I know me see somebody behind me. You know, maybe him go down through one track. Bro, if you watch a video, comment. Cause yo, you nearly give me a heart attack, bro. I swear. Well, me basically still have a heart attack. But anyway, we're up on the journey. Lots of gullies. Somebody said if you stop, show the gullies and show them the houses, but some of these places, you know guys, there are no houses to be shown. It's just nature. And you know that's what I enjoy, so I take you all along with me for those of you who enjoy nature. People call them a bush, you know, but to me, them just green and pretty. Yeah? Anyway, too much distraction. We're trying to head up to Beacon Hill and Grampian. Gonna hear how long I promise y'all to go to Grampian. So y'all let me know in the comment section down below if I had found the Grampian plantation, because I don't know yet. I just head out, I got it. So y'all should have seen the intro, so y'all would have known if I found it. Alright, and please tell me in the comment section guys, you know a shorter video or is the video length okay? Alright, let me know please, because me really want me to create a video, I have to show y'all everything, you know, everything along the way. Although I cut out, if the video is an hour and a half, trust me, more than 4 hours y'all not seeing. You know? I think that's the river down there. Scenery is beautiful guys, beautiful. And if y'all want pictures like these, contact me and I can send you these pictures by WhatsApp. Okay? Bless up family. Yeah guys, that's a beautiful scenery over there. Yeah. Wow, and it just gets better the more we go up further. You see the views guys? Like, whoa. Look there. That's beautiful. Yes, Elder. How far from us to Beacon Hill?
And this is Beacon Hill there.
Beacon Hill. How far from Grampian?
Go down the river.
Yeah, if you find the stone building then.
Oh, about four miles.
Okay. I like how you say it, because everybody me ask them, say it far, you know.
4 miles.
You see me? Yeah man, I do history, so I search for the historical sites them in St. Thomas all over Jamaica, but now I really focus on St. Thomas. That hear this field the other day, see? So I try to find Grampian.
Eh? Well, then come to Grampian, they got here.
No, I go Lady Field, but to the time when I go up there, I couldn't go up Airfield for come down in a Grampian. Yeah, that then tell me say one road there, is it?
Well, I go call it road, but
sure, yes, so I do today, them say better me take yes, so. Instead of go up back Castle Hill Road, is it?
2 miles from here, so you reach Barras Gap.
Yeah.
I want Bush Road gone up, so I up there.
Alright, on the left.
On the left.
And I go up on the left, I see one next road on the left.
You gotta look careful.
Alright. Maybe I see somebody else for you ask you. What is your name?
The name Walker.
Blessings, Mr. Walker.
Manners.
Big up. Alright. Blessings. Yeah guys, so when you hear that, 4 miles. I did say 4.5, I think 4. Yeah, 2 miles up and then 2 miles to the place. And look on the scenery down there, so that's beautiful. No. So we got a long hike in front of us, guys, you know, but so far I'm kind of start to enjoy it. And each hike I try to make, each hike I do a bit longer because I kind of prepare for one of the longer hikes that I'm gonna do. As you know, I do not disclose where I'm gonna go before I go, yeah, but I have a really long hike for do. Yeah, guys, the greenery, so fascinating. I have always wanted to come up on this road, you know, guys. Always wanted to see this place. From the first time I went to Ladyfield with my uncle, I always wanted to come to Beacon Hill and also to see the Grampian site. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see it today. We might last 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Yes, we might last, but we're finding that site. What I wanna say? Type it in the comment section down below. Type yes if you think we are find it, and lost if you think we are gonna last couple time, and something. Type something, guys. Alright, I really do enjoy these hikes. Yeah, and it's really a pleasure when we go home, upload a video, and I can interact with all of y'all, and y'all relating your experiences in these places and who grew up in these places, and see people finding their family members or their neighbors or their community associates. It is such a joy. That is what brings a smile on my heart. Yeah, man. So we are going up in a Beacon Hill. I'm still curious as to who did that behind me. I'm still not seeing nobody behind me. I think so the person stop, and you know, then I don't see nobody. I know it's a ghost and them thing that I'm not gonna make me see that. So anyway, yeah, guys, so in Beacon Hill, although it was a lookout place, there isn't a lookout tower or anything like that. I did not read about a lookout tower or anything like that in Beacon Hill. Yeah, but there should be the overseer's house, because that's where the overseer would live, just as the Hard Shield Great House, which I did a couple years back. I'm gonna show you a clip of that on screen. Those are overseer houses. Yeah, so these houses are always at an advantageous position where they can see over the plantation or see when impending threat. Yeah, some of those down there, you have a vehicle around here, so you have a vehicle door lock. Vehicle over there down the road. House up there, up on the hill. Yeah? Up on the beauty of the place over there. Big up to the farmer. I do the farming. Lovely farm. Anybody live up on the hill, up at the house there? Them have a lovely view over here. That's a lovely view. I'm wondering if these are the last houses in the community. Blessed Rastaman. Blessed. Alright. Yeah guys, that's a beautiful scene over there. This is the bird. Who can tell me what the bird name? That's lovely. Anybody need the picture? Let me know. I'll send it to you by way of WhatsApp. Alright, so we're on the way up to Beacon Hill and to see the Grampian sugar estate ruins, the Grampian sugar plantation ruins. What we will see though is the I have to check. I think the me not remember guys, me check my documents and let y'all know. Alright, so I'll soon let y'all know. Yeah guys, so this is it, Grampian. Alright, open our seat. I told you about the Mac Etchern from the Ladyfield vlog. Yeah, and it's plotted in St. Thomas in the east as a sugar estate with a water mill in James Robertson 1804 map of Jamaica. So there should be a water mill. Alright, yeah, so that's the Grampian sugar plantation. And may I show you all that first guys before we go up to finish Beacon Hill. As the man said, we're already in Beacon Hill. Alright, so yeah. Just see one bird shadow a while ago, one bird a fly. Sing there. I'm going to sing over this. Like, what do we call a hen? Like the chick of a vulture, of a junker. What we call it? Chicken? A chick? Let me know, please. I'm curious. And I'm not going to search for it. I want somebody tell me in the comment section. Yeah? Alright. We're up on way. Look them on. Such a greenery. More hills than I can eye out. But wait. I'm coming. Yeah? So Grampian was owned by Mr. Mac Etchern, and he was Scottish. He's the man that I told you that he adopted a Moloch son, and he had a daughter by his wife named Catherine. However, when he died, they realized that he had left everything to his son, not to the mother of his daughter or to his daughter, but to his son. He's one of those people who, when workers run away from other plantations and they will go to him for refuge, you know, he's the type of person that would have hid them away from other planters, from his fellow planters. You know, so he was loved by the community but hated by planters. Yeah? So that's the planter I was referring to the other day in the Ladyfield video. So hopefully we'll find the ruins of his plantation, the Grampian sugar plantation ruins. Yeah? Just some majestic views up here. Some real majestic views. Yeah. And the sun is out and bright in living colors. Time still cool. Yeah. Shout out to my friends in Manchester. Guys, that was a deep corner right there. We'll go further. Farmers park them bike and go a bush. Sometimes way down in the gully. These places are crime free now, guys. You know, it's no joke. I've always said this in videos that St. Thomas are one of the safest parishes, especially these rural communities. These rural communities are mainly 100% safe. Yeah? The only thing left, the only 10% will leave make it safe. After you look out the eye and keep yourself safe. Otherwise you will be safe. Yeah? Banana sucker. Deep gully down there, so somebody down in there still in a light them a cut bamboo or something. And somebody in the bush to me a pass now, guys. Yeah, there's always someone watching. Yeah? Lovely scenery over there. As the mother say, if you love it, say go on. Type walk in the comment section, peeps, and let us hike. Thank you. Follow me. Would you all do this hike? Put up your hand if you would do the hike here. Alright? Yeah, man. Let me know. It doesn't seem like it's a lot of hills, but I don't want to count my chicken before them lay. Yeah, that's way too early. I can take a chance and count them when them hatch, but not when them lay. What may I say? Anyway, yeah, guys, we're on the way to Beacon Hill. Y'all follow me. Alright, I'm gonna show you all the Grampian sugar estate ruins, the Grampian sugar plantation ruins, the water mill, and the part of the works yard, because it was a sugar mill, so there should be a works yard there anyway, you know. At one point I couldn't really understand the map 100% because there were so many, what you call them things, so many legends, and then there wasn't a reference as to what these things meant. But going to these places over and over, I'm starting to understand that this means that and that means that. Yeah? So, yeah, man. But sometimes I like to be sure, just so not to say the wrong thing on camera, but I have to cut it out. I do my research, and if I don't remember, I just take 2 minutes and search for it. Yeah? So we're upon we are go up the road, guys. Beautiful hillside. It's It's rather cool up this side, guys. Really cool. Guys, and remember, if you are one of those people with family in Mount Felix, I used to live in Mount Felix, I just launched some mugs. The link is under the Mount Felix video. This will be under this video also. And to support the channel and support the hikes, you can purchase a mug. Alright, hear me as now. I was only able to do 6 of them, and none of them no sell yet, so maybe you will be lucky. Well, me saying this now, I'm not sure if any sold while I'm on the road, but yeah, as up to this moment, none hasn't sold. So if you want, you can cop one for yourself. Alright, you can check it out, share it, you know, tell me if you like the design, give me pointers so we can change the design, or you know, yeah, let us do this as a family. Alright, yeah man, down this is where I come from, guys. Yeah guys, there's a house up there. Plants. Could be a family plot around there. Cut this wall, guys. I mean, it's not colonial. It doesn't seem to be colonial, but yeah, it's old. These walls are always sturdy. So we'll go further up in a beacon hill. I hope you're enjoying this one so far. If you're enjoying this one so far, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so, as that does help the channel in moving forward. Alright. These roads have gutters, so at least the water we have one little place to run off. Some of the roads I see them now have no gutter, so I wonder where the water is supposed to go. That made the water mash up the road. I am curious to see the community of Beacon Hill, like up at the square, like if there's a square, yeah? Because if the roads are like this, I don't see, I don't think I see no vehicle pass me. I think 2 bikes pass me, but no car no pass me. But this road is better than a lot of roads where that's the run, you know. Still on the way. I'm set fast still now, so I'm circling at the walking because yeah, I know I have some journey to cover. Alright, so hope you all are settled. I wish you all had your mugs, so I could have said get yourself a cuppa in your Mount Felix cup. Yeah, and when you watch this video and check out the Mount Felix mug, even if you're not purchasing, give me your feedback and let me know if I should create a Beacon Hill mug also. Alright, yeah man, and I will only do 6 of these. Look there guys, yeah, deep. Bamboo. You don't know the amount of things I can do. Bamboo. Yeah, this can build house, it can build utensils. Yeah, You can do so many things with bamboo. You can build garment, you know, textile. Yeah, man. So guys, yeah, my knees will ache, but your eyes will be gracious, as me always say. Alright, start the word hike and let us hike. Guys, if you notice, we are going up and up, and we'll soon be on the same level as the mountains, you know, and you realize that? Yeah, I'm loving it. Alright, so I'm so curious to see this place and to see the beacon hill overseer house. You know, there's a community up there also known as Wood. Let's see if we can see even a part of Wood when we get up into Beacon Hill, up at the top of Beacon Hill I should say, because they said we are already in Beacon Hill. Yeah, and Wood is one more of those communities that people moved into the hills to live after emancipation, or just before emancipation, leading into emancipation. Then they moved back because of lack of transportation and stuff like that, and younger people, you know, they moved back onto lower grounds. So Wood is an abandoned community, you know, and I'll try to see a piece of that as soon as we get up at the top of Beacon Hill and finish the Grampian. Alright, so here I'm going to put a little track up on the gas pedal here. So I'm telling you, we're getting so level with these hills. It's like we're just about up in the hills. Yeah, but it's lovely. Yeah, them bamboo make some sound, you know. Whoa, we can't blow up. Yeah, the wind's strong, guys. Literally lift me up a while ago. Yeah, the bamboo they make some crazy sounds sometimes. You hear that? This look like clear. Who knows what this is? Let me know in the comment section down below if you know what that is. Dangerous block with this, you know. Yeah, that's a dangerous breakaway. You see right there? Yeah, man. And spring run through here, so guys, but it's dry. Next little spring round here, this is a step down up. If you see that step, look, if you step this is all, you know. Water, but it looks to be man-made. Looks like a man-made wall, and the next one looks weirder to me. What do you think, guys? Doesn't that look man-made like a step, but the step would have too high like a water? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Left side, see it? If that's the taxi that just passed, I think it's the only one. Because from what I heard, it's only one taxi that runs to Beacon. Yeah guys, so we'll go up further. It's a truck going around there. But them showing me some little shop, that's where the road will be to take to Grampian. Could this be the little shop? There's a little shop this. I don't know. There's one truck here down here, so I think it's my house here down there. So truck that one down at the house. Alright, so another shop this. But that's a little shop. Beautiful hillsides. This is the old building down here. Just a small building. So we are on our way up into the hills. Yeah guys, one day for the building this. Yeah, this is almost the old shop. This must be the old shop. Yeah? That's one road I go around there, so one goat. Kitty. I never say kitty, no guys, I say kitty. Right. Yeah, this is an old shop and it's built on even older foundation. Yeah, Look inside, it's new still, it's not all that old. So back around here, so let's see if we find Grampian. Alright guys, so I got directions. I think we'll see somebody if you ask, but there's no one to ask. So therefore we'll try to find it by ourselves. Alright, so we're going around on this road. Yeah, so gonna be here with me and let me know if y'all still here with me. Gonna keep my company, alright? Yeah man, cause you know some alone if I go up on the road, so y'all keep my company. Alright, yeah man. Could this be the truck? I don't know. Okay, let's try this too. Yeah guys, this look like it go harder than my things still. Because I'm saying I must see the truck where I go down from the river. But yeah man, stop someone check back my map and see if it can help me before I go deeper into the jungle. Alright? Yeah, so I'm gonna bear with me. Alright guys, so I see that which look like piece of ruins, so I go back out there and see if it, but it would have the up on the hill up on the side here still. So I check and see if it, and then we'll go back around and see if I run so because I think it should have done from the river still. But I check. Alright. So you follow me. So look like one truck will go up on the hill, I'm not sure. But up on the hill look like up the flat. If it's really up there, then that would be the ideal place. Up on the hill. Go up there, look flat. But I'll check back the map. Alright, the right across from it. See guys, with the up in the bush, I just passed it, the up in the hills up there, so I have to look for one truck and go up there. So one truck, yeah. Look like one truck will go up there. One truck is. And one truck. It looks steep. Alright, I can find our next year on. The building the upper so guys. Well, I'm building the upper so I'm not sure if I up on the hilltop, yeah. I'll try also. Up on the hill. Whoa, Guys, you see that? One wall, you know? One freaking I could have come and nearly step down in it. It's the wall there. One big building up here, you know? But it cover. So I'm going on here, so. This piece of wall, yeah? And it's not even a new building either, guys. It's not even an old building, it's a new building. Like this, me see from satellite footage. It may look still. Alright, I'm gonna go up further and look. I'm building up this, it look like. Piece of hole wall down there, so nearly dropping at the wall. Now somebody up here. Now go for the people in place. And up here to the building them there. Other piece of old building them see. Some people have dogs. And yeah, dogs dangerous. So now go back down the hill. Right up this one, I see, I think a piece of building now, a donkey, you see? A donkey stand up there. See the first truck here, put the block up. So I'm gully that over this way, you know. Deep gully. Alright, so I'm gonna go around further, maybe I'm gonna go around further and see the part figure. I'm gonna go back through that, so. Alright, so the wall here looked like it wasn't really old. Wall I nearly dropped down in there. Now we have to go back on for the hill. This set one way. Alright, so that's not the building. I'll go around further. The gully around the house, it's supposed to run across this. So we're supposed to see a little bridge, I think. Yeah? But we're going to find it today, guys. Alright. Now follow me. I'm going to start to wander if I don't this one. Go look. Goat. How you deal with it? Alright, now we're going to go down there, so guys. So you turn with it down there, so. Yeah? Alright. So I'm not down here, so. We go around Friday around on the road. Now that I'm satisfied with curiosity. So I'm not down on the road. Seems like a house was down there though. Was it flat? So we'll go around further. You see, the map has shown me so the building there up on the hill up here, so. But in a real life, and that it show me up on the other map. It show me say this side of the gully. However, if it not down here on the gully that run around there, so the gully they must come across the road there sometime around there. So we have like a slim chance of finding it. But you know, I'm not gonna stop until I find it. Alright. So we'll go around further. In some of the stuff I read, it said that it is on a hill, which I'm not gonna debate that the house could be on a hill, but then the water wheel off the down on the flat, down beside the water. So, you don't know. Alright, anyway. I'll go and look. Alright, so maybe it's a large truck going down somewhere. You can't miss. Oh, I want to go to this. Yeah, this is one gully. This is not a truck at all. Deep gully. So one truck. But I'm not sure. I'm going to go on further. At least we can get some point of view. So I run out of the bush. You hear that? Mangoes. Somebody are burning coal. So our next truck will go down in the gully. Yeah. I might go around further. Mine, I tell me if I go around further. One truck will go up on the hill. Why am I not telling me say this thing is somewhere up there, so now this one pop up in another farm in one. Alright. When I come up, I go up there, so cut me a slide. I can't. I have to climb the hill first and save up back some strength if we go up there. So. But my mind just telling me say the overseer house should be on a hill. But still there's a water wheel which should be down on the river. Because them always say down at the river. So we'll go around and see how it goes. More gully. I'll go up this one. So guys, may I stop for a minute and get my bearings and try to figure this thing out and get back to all of y'all, alright? Yeah man. Yeah guys, so we still go further around. It look like, although the sun is shining, look like we're about to get some rain. Now come here, so 1 and 2 rain drop. I fall. The water they down there so still, so hopefully we soon see a pathway or a truck will go down on the river. there was a water mill, there has to be water close by. I thought that was an aqueduct I saw up there, but it wasn't. It was new construction. So I have all the time today, so I'm going to search. I'm going to find it. Well, not so happy, but I would love to find it. And if I don't look like I don't listen again. Look like I don't listen. This is a truck I go down the river. I feel some potential in that truck here, guys. I have some faith in another one, and I feel like that go down there. But this I go down from the river. And it seems to go down more. I hate places where I really have to go downhill and I have to climb to come back out. But yeah, if it go down here, down the way, and that track here go down, I'm feeling some. This truck look promising. Like it go down there. You see where we go, peeps? Down in one gully we are going. So yeah. Suppose it's somewhere down on the flat down the side there, you know. We are coming up on the hill. Let's see if we find it. Talk about finding it. Let's hope we can find the truck to go straight down. Tree will burn. Over there. Just hope we can find a way back out. So this will go down and down and down. And look there. Both sides we are precipice now, guys. You see this not safe at all. We still not reach down in the water yet, down in the river yet. We're gonna mount one next hill. No, guys. Be serious, you know, man. There's a farm, this will come up, you know. Move! There's a farm, this, guys. with dog. Wrong place. Channel. I'll go back up on the road, guys. So we can find the road back up on the truck. Not me a talk about no man, dog in a bush. Oh, they come from. Yes, sir. Check. Press the button, guys. Where you walk, Gully? I'm here around this, so the place there, you know, put a people property and dog around there. If your dog bite me, we can't say nothing about it, you know. So I'm here trespass, so I get off of the property. Yeah, there is a John, why did you laugh so high? Here on bike. I gotta need this. Oh. Guys, the hill there was a hill. Anyway, now go on further. Yeah? We're looking for one, so And there for the next one. Some grave there. Grave down there, guys. Yeah. I'm not at the building down there. Just a 2 piece of white cloth, but I'm not sure. I don't want to go down there. One bike will come, me get some info from them. If I go to them. Here guys, one bike will come. Now find the camera from them, it's not showing me that. Let's up family. So I can't find the Grampian building them. Old city. You pass out already?
Nah man.
Come go way down in one gully down somewhere down there because somebody tell me say one shop on the left hand side.
Yes, go up the road there.
Up the road.
Yeah man. Which side you go from? You go down there so?
I come from Beacon Hill side. I just turn
No
down
man,
one
I
shop.
say which part down there say
Yeah, right down there somebody just turn go down there and chop them buck up on one dog.
You buck up on dog?
Yeah, we around now one back road there like somebody a farm, yo. I know the distance still, I just want to know how to get there, is it?
Yeah man, around on the road there, alright, you see when you right out, there's a right cross over the side there.
Oh. So may I see the truck for go down there?
Yeah man, and truck there is kinda see how
Right, cross what is all the time.
I tell him, I try remember. Hold on, the star tree where they are the gate, did they are yeah? And
Oh,
star tree normally the right at the gate.
Okay.
Yeah man, up more.
No?
I bull get so.
Eh?
I go on the
No man, on star tree they against someone on star tree then a bull or someone did that. But you have to reach one place where you see like
Oh, cool.
you could chop it right where you see one cold skill in the road.
Alright.
You see what I mean?
No,
The cold
right
skill
to
up
what
on the
is
right hand side
Yeah?
and a far from this of the truck.
Alright.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so look like somebody in a feed goat in a year, so the agent kind of chop away. I buck up some cow come.
Right to know.
Afraid of cow?
What about them?
No man, a 3 cow man, a my cow there. They're nice man, they're not trouble you.
Alright.
You don't need to afraid of them.
Yeah guys, so the man said come yo. Now for give them way. Jano, that's my worst fear. Him say I 3 of them still, but I won't eat that. But I won't eat 3. I want to see them before them see me. So I can't hide. Whole skill guys. Oh, coming on man. And it's like me know I'm gonna have to go up there. You can bet some about them on the smallest part of the road. No one black one have to go do that too. Can bet. how they make the rasta judge. You know, when you hear them, wanna come? Let them pass. Guys, we bend down over here so I wait for them to pass. And them move slow. Them done. Let's hope we don't see them when they come back. Alright, so they're on way again. So it look like we'll go down the hill here. We'll see the track and go down there. We'll go over hill to climb, come back up. And the one that just did me in just now. But yeah, we're already here. So make we head to it. Whoa. Alright guys, so I'm changing battery. Guys, this is the starter tree. But I'm not seeing a core skill when a core skill with a bird or anything like that. Let me check back down here so because I'm not changing battery. I'm going to take notice. Alright. No more starter tree down here, so no core skill down here, so maybe I'm further up. Alright, so we'll go further up. Look like the coal skill. There's somebody that burn coals too. That look like somebody that shot. Okay, I'm gonna go up further. And there for you, so whole skill truck. And look. Wow. No guys, I'm not doing this. Hold on, let me check. No, this is a gully. I'm not doing this. It's a slide a while ago. Wow. Guys, if you go over this way, no man, is a precipice down this way, no? Don't know, I'm going to meet that way. So what part down in the gully this a place here? Because I be a precipice, me I sit down there saying no peeps. And somebody said me not to call them precipice, but where do I call that? You know? That means I have to go around to them and see where flat land is down there, something more accessible. Because they are too hot go down there. Goat did a feed out here, so. Yeah. Goat did a feed out here, so. Let me see if I see the trap there. Whoa. Look there. A goalie that, you know, guys. I'm not down there, so neither. I know I don't want goalie, but I know some. And I them the kind of gully there. And a parachute gully at all. And look there. Now the hills with the guys. We need to find this place here. To the this elusive Grampian sugar plantation. start the tree. Must not cool skill. Go around from there to go check. Shot that car bamboo. Sound like bamboo still. Just hope for the truck here guys, cause yo, this is going on next year. Look what happened down in our next farm. Whoa. Looks to truck up around there. I'm gonna ride them precipice place there no man. Both sides of the truck are going. No, this serious no guys. This serious. Or else me not even think around and see the place then either. Cause gully this round so you know. Gully this round so. One man just tell me to not go around a circle and around a certain place. Because a gully that you know. Gully this me going on now guys. Watch here. Slide over this problem. I don't know why I feel like I don't know still. You know? Guys, it look like the road down here, sir. Gully that over there, sir, you know. You look there. Gully that, you know, if I now look at step, I would step through the sir, you know. And around here, so. And around here, so far. And when I don't want to stop them kind of building there. Guys, are the building, you know? Right, kid. See the building there? You see it? Are the building reach? So I'm gonna go over there. Cause this just a gully, you know. Yeah guys, are the building this reach? But it seems there is nothing here to show. There's just one wall left. Unless more things there. But it's a gully, guys. Look there, a precipice over there, so you know. I can't all of the building this. More building must there. But I just one wall like this, so. You don't look a hole in it. I can't all of the building this, guys. So I can't go down there, so because I've gully that I really not gonna put myself at risk, guys, because I can't see where the trap done from with the gully there now. Oh, trap there, guys. So piece of building there, so wonder if the rest are down here, so this is a joke, you know. I'm just curious to see this place. Whoa. Oh, the ground, you can't see the ground different from the gully them, and the gully them there, right at the edge of the foot. All of them, I know, guys. Peeps, my heart now give me for growing up, so you know. I'm afraid of heights. I still not feel like I the right trap me the pan. One gully over there, so one gully over here, so I can't run to the place there. I can't run to the place there, no? No, I can't run so. So one gully that over there, so one gully over there, so we don't have nowhere to be. We're not going further back. This risky. I swear, this risky. Now go up on the road and try the other entrance. Mango drop off a tree. I don't know mango season yet. I go down there so guys. No, we're not down the stuff to build. So there's no possible way them can build on this stuff. Then drop off and then gully around and normal. You know. John, be a gully. Guys, if I down this Grampian really there, now I have to come back because I have proper gears for take on the hike there down on that type of terrain there with gully both side. Where if me trip and go over the gully, I have a piece of rope or something, is it? So yeah, I now take on the hike there. Let me look around and see. Wow, gully this again. I may have to butt my toe and gully there. Yeah guys, so I go up, back on the road and go around further and see if around this to the track there. Because at the end of the day, I never seen a cold skill store the young man did say that track, it just look promising. Alright, so yeah guys, so we're back around on the road. So I go around a little further. Proper call about around here, peeps. Proper road. Yeah guys, still on the search for the Grampian sugar plantation. building, you guys. Так, мороз дается. Like a nice house there too. If it was a house, the window around, a nice arch. Not sure what was here, but here one building there. As I'm showing, it's a good road to come on and still not so most lots of people do around. Blessed Elder, let me find the Grampian building them, the Grampian old stone building them.
You can find out over there, the block up and now I can't see.
How far down here, sir?
You down the road now.
Down the road when you go down through one truck?
I truck there now and I truck the block up and I can't see.
Oh. And I'm gonna tell me, so I want to see me for coming.
Huh?
I'm gonna tell me, so for coming, on, so I want to start up a tree, me turn down through one truck, and that me da look for.
Yeah, but not just a truck where they float there. That's not here down there.
Oh. Because I go way down for one truck and I realize I go it now go no further.
And that truck is on it up. And another right truck now, right truck block up.
Oh.
Block up and if you can't find out to go through that, you can't find the bridge going about and go down there.
Okay.
You're not going to find it. You're fine now.
Alright, man, that's
You're not there. Yeah, man, but it's a way down and go across the river. You have to go down and go across the river, but you will block up the road and you don't know it.
You don't know it for true. It's hard.
Yeah, man. It's hard to find it.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I turn back and go around, beacon it and go down. Easy, man.
It's easier, probably easier to go here field and come down. You know here field?
I go lay the field right there. I know here field and I do the Kuno pass walk already.
Yeah, but
If I look for Grampian, if I go here field.
when I tell you probably easier to come down here there.
Oh.
Come on, you have to come down.
And this is the road I bring about Portland now? Can't push gap. Oh. Okay, I walk to Portland already, man. And come out to over there near Springbank, Millbank. Okay, so can't push gap up, so come I can't push gap one day, you know. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna come prepare to the night, is it? Alright, respect. Guys, as you notice, the information to me, I don't know how it seemed to y'all, but it seemed to be conflicting. Because it sounds like it up on this side of the river, and then it sounds like I have to go down, cross the river and go up on the next side. And I don't know which it is, and I've been hearing the same thing over and over, you know. And I don't know where the trap there. And if this man living in the area as a Rasta man, where there are bush and I tell me so I can't find the trap, who am I to try to go around that and try to find it and then get lost? You know? I still have a beacon hill. I still have to try to find the beacon hill historic sites. But I really wanted to find the Grampian sugar plantation. You know, even though I came out to go to Beacon Hill, I really wanted to do the Grampian. And the second time I come on the road to do the Grampian and I can't find it. Seems like I have to leave that one alone till next year and move on to something else. I'm really sorry guys, but I don't think I'm going to find that one here today. I still try now, because I go down this and see the road, I go down there and see if that truck they go down there, because this is the truck I will take a while ago, right? This is the truck I will take a while ago. That guy got him, so I know that's the right truck. Alright, so I go down further. And you see, it's a precipice going down, so I have to find the right track. And I like lay the field or just some track. This is a precipice. This could be the track, you know. You see how this looks? This could be the track going over here, you know. But I can't hit this still because as you see how down this is steer. So I have to find the right track to go down on the riverside. And that seems to be the issue. This will be the track right here. But go over this one, we know it's not the track because you can know so it's a void. Go over this one. Alright guys, so I'm still gonna go straight up Beacon Hill and come around on the Bath main road, so I should see the Beacon Hill site. This could be the track right here, you know, but I'm going around this side and look like a track either because it was just grass and precipice. So until I have proper hiking gears, I'm gonna go try to do that one here, or if I get information that the track is clear, or if I have a tour guide. Alright, either we're gonna move on to something else. Okay. I really try like to catch me down there for sure. Alright. Now try the airfield side. Respect, yeah? Okay. And it closer from the side of the car, from the side it must closer. Oh. Alright, respect, yeah? And thanks. Alright. Bless up. Yeah guys, so it was kind of that gentleman to stop and show me the track that led to the Grampian from this side, and it's sort of impossible to go down there. The first track when we turn on to the tree across the track, that's where I'm supposed to walk. When we go on, I send a road not there. So that wouldn't make no sense. He said that I should take it from the airfield side, which where they made over on the side, they said that I should take it from the Beacon Hill side, remember? But the gentleman said that the airfield side should be better because at the end of the day it's on the airfield side, because if I go down this side I have to cross the river and then find back the track to go up, you know. So it's best if I come from the airfield side. Well, my hopes kind of a little bit back up, yeah, where I can come back and find this place. I'm going to try our fight again with, yeah, I'm going to try our fight again. Alright, but for now we're head up in a Beacon Hill. Alright. Yeah guys, so that's where I'm there, and this is the river down here. So you notice me reach back close to the building. It would really be a distance to get to the river, for real. You better if I come from airfield side, which is right over there. Yeah. So we're head up to Beacon Hill. Alright, and follow me. Yeah guys, so we reach back at the shop and we're head up the road. Yeah, up into Beacon Hill. Yeah guys, so we're still on our way, heading up into Beacon Hill.
Hey, what's the channel name?
Elite Jamaica.
Huh?
Elite Jamaica.
What again?
Elite Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Elite Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
What kind of vlog you do?
History and archaeology.
Oh, so you are the one looking for the beacon.
Yeah. Beacon Hill.
Beacon also. On the hill.
I've been to Ladyfield the other day, Mount Felix. I try to cover the whole about.
Okay.
Alright. Bless. Yeah guys, you know here that said seems as if there's a beacon on the hill. We have to find out when the car come back. I have to go find out. Because that seems like the only taxi run come up here, as I said earlier. And it looks that way for you. If there's a beacon up there, I'll find it. Yeah. Well, just hope so. Because these places are seeming more and more impossible to find in this neck of the woods. Look there guys, that's a rainbow over there. You see the rainbow? I'm gonna go look for the end of the rainbow. See if there's a pot. Could be. Alright guys, so we're head up further in a beacon hill. If there's a beacon up there, then we want to see it. Over there guys, those are houses. Wonder what's the name of that community. Not sure. Maybe I can put it on screen and not edit. Oh, I'm hearing that there's a church somewhere on that hill around there. And they're far up here, so look like somebody live up there still. Me now go up there. Maybe dog up there. The house there, so just somewhere running, going up there. Yeah, there's a house, guys. The house is up there. Yeah. Around in that bush for the first time, for me, it was very scary. And not spooky, but scary with the precipice. Because I keep on say, like, if I slip and go over the gully, like, I'm not going to have no assistance. Oh, somebody ever find me. Y'all are the ones who make me start to worry about them something now, because I never did I worry, you know. You know, I wasn't worrying. But y'all saying all of that stuff, like, we start to think, you know. Yeah, man. But with the cows, I'm scared of cows, and it was out of fear that I went over there with the tree. That's not something I should have done. When I look back at it, because when I go over there, I never had realized, but when I look down, I realize like there's nowhere to go but down. So if the cow feel like he want to eat something off of the tree and can rush me, I don't have nowhere to go. I would have done the gully, I would have to pray some hold on my next tree, and that no nice. I need to get over my fear of cows. I thought I had gotten over my fear of cows, but I see the thing them and I just start beat and go crazy. Do you know? But anyway. So I know we're heading up to Beacon Hill. And I want to find out if there's a beacon on deal for real, because now that I'm going to hear that, me curious. And I know y'all would be curious also. Yeah? Alright, so we'll go up the road. Hey guys, so we're still up on our way. I got Beacon Hill. Now you're talking down in the flat down there, so not sure where that's coming from. I wonder if around on the road I come from. I'll go further up the road. I'm not kind of move faster because then we have to go back down on the next road. Lovely ferns. This is a house up here. Right, if I get further up now the community. But I went over there. See a lady. Hope I can catch her up. We'll find out. Here's a beacon at the hill. Could be up here. Not sure what's up there. Yeah guys, so I got some information that it's up on this track up here. Huh? Okay. Alright. Thanks. Yeah, sure. Yeah, the young fella them said they might help me. Up that track here? That track here? That one here? Okay. Bless up family. Alright. Up on the hill, live the beacon up there. You know the beacon?
No, yeah.
You know one name, sir? What name the beacon?
One lighthouse.
One lighthouse, no?
Yeah, mama have it up a yard.
Okay. So you know what go on. You know what them use it for?
Oh,
You know what to
You never tell my mama.
Yeah.
Trip where you fat them around.
Yeah, that's what
When
it
I
was
want to
used for.
move it.
And it used for signal too, is it?
No, I say what we are. This I make son, yeah. Me boy them. I start run before that drop down.
What, the beacon?
If it, yeah.
Eh?
Right this one. What I post there, bro.
Eh?
Me say over here somebody that you want puppy sound, bro. Me say, which kind of sound now? And bro, I hear it. I be like, what I know?
I be like, I'm done with the sound.
Yeah, the like what they make the sound.
And the bamboo good there make the sound, man.
You can please then the side of you.
Mm-hmm. I'm pretty though.
Yeah. I mean know that the red song there lead to about Kingston.
Hmm?
That's the red song there is about Kingston. Sir,
Eh?
have you really walk from?
Yeah, I walk from out of Bath.
See the thing
No? You tired?
No. Who's got to work there? Well,
Eh?
who's got to work
Some
there?
work here.
So I think like if I take chocolate, you have to give somebody the camera. You don't work for one boss or nothing?
Mm-hmm.
I don't just work for yourself.
Work for myself.
So people just can't search up. We see what for people.
Eh?
When you say work for yourself, I would just search up every job. I will see different people.
You can't see no different people. I'm alone you go see. You know you're smart, but I'm alone you go see still. You tired already? Oh.
But you are tired.
No.
Yeah,
I go way down in the gully, you know. Go look for Grampian. You ever hear about Grampian?
No.
Oh. One place down in the gully.
You go way down there, sir?
Down in the gully down to the river.
Just far?
Since
Past
me I
the
come
gully?
up. Since me I come up.
Let me tell you something. I just want football field down the river?
No, I'm not go up at the football field.
If you still have me down, I tell you so what? I tell you I want it.
Eh?
We'll buy it.
Alright.
Because last time, they jobs.
Yeah guys, so
They
I'm self on the truck here.
a shortcut or long cut.
Any one of them?
Yeah.
Any one of them?
Cameraman. Well, that's my bed. I just have
Are you brother?
Yes. 17.
Yeah guys, so we're in the location of the Beacon Hill Great House and the beacon, and even though I set out to find ruins of Beacon Hill, I did not expect to find a house, a great house, or a beacon in itself, you know, because they weren't listed on my map. Alright, so that's fascinating. So follow me, alright? All the walls, guys, you know, look there. Which one that? These are old walls. Right here. Whoa. We have a lot of history here, guys. you look, you can see where these were, like they cut stones from out of this here. So it look as if they did a rock quarrying up here. I'm not sure, but it looked that way there. More old walls, guys. Oh, these are stones. And these look corridors, so you know, like them cut out stone out of them. Yeah, so a straight piece over there, so. Yeah, man, come. Alright.
Sorry.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, I talk to the young man down there, I never know nobody up here. Sorry. Me do history and archaeology. What your brother name?
Aiden.
No, not Aiden. Aiden brother. What do you name down at the shop?
Henry.
And Kenrick? Yeah. Me do history and archaeology. Teacher lady down the road just told me that a beacon was up on the hill. And same time she introduced me to the two little young fellows. Them introduced me to them brothers, so if you ask him, I see a young lady, and everybody lead me up on top of the hill. I didn't know anyone was here. Sorry about that. Can I have the go ahead just to film it, please? It's an educational channel. It's an educational channel.
We not go 5 years.
Yeah, guys, so we're going to go up in the hill. See if you see that beacon here. She said me now, we'll find it. That's the place to bush up. So, let me see if that is true. Each one flat. Rough that off. Go around this one and go up. Yeah guys, up here is more flat. So anything up here must be able to be found. Guys, I want to sticky body. Line up. Oh. Can't go across that. other side. Let's see the beacon. Guys, look like everybody I win today, because that one seem really elusive, really elusive. And building a lot of height too, you know. I'm gonna see it still. Another seat, you know? Got a gully down there, so can't step down there, so step down there, so a problem. I'm gonna see it, and that's something I should have seen. No guys, I would not be this way. And now I see the beacon. Let me go over that side here. No, I see it at all, guys. I'm gonna up on the flat. I can't get nobody to come up here now with me, you know. I'll lift me up to them, because after 5 I think the body I want to after them also. Let's see it. Should I look out over so much I can't see it? I not see it. Get no door over this. So. Check over the side here. Ah, yeah guys, fine piece of building. But this one not it. Everything I time up, man. I know this, guys. This is a newer type one, so it's like a shop there, so. It's not it. It's not it. look at that, yeah. Didn't I do this either. But look. No, it's not no place, guys. Didn't I do this? You should be able to see it from up here, so don't. I see it. I should be able to see it from up here. Sun around it, so. No guys, we not see it. Alright, so I guess we're not find the one, you guys. Hold on there. No, alright, that a piece of stick. Think of the piece of wall, you see. Alright, I'm gonna see, guys. Look over there, son. No, over there, son, either. I don't know, son, either. I'm gonna get lost. Don't panic, Alex. Now come back over. Yeah guys, so I did not find the beacon and I did not find remnants of the beacon hill tower. My camera got hot, stopped recording, and at the same time I wasn't able to find it. I was heading back down as far as y'all had noticed. However, I'm gonna find some 1800s grave, you know them round grave like Annie Palmer grave. Yeah, I found some of those graves up there. Like, me just buck up on the thing, them really got spooked when I saw them. And then me the kind of get mixed up in the bush and I know if you guys y'all did notice. So the kind of little bit spooky. I apologize for that, guys, but I just wasn't able to find it this time. But I will be back. Yeah, I will be back in proper gears. Because that is something that I want to find. Reason being, it is not listed on the James Robertson map. Someone find out if it was built by the Maroons, by unpaid laborers who had gone up into the hills to live, or if it was used or built by the colonial government. Alright, and one way to find out, I have to see it. Because I'm not seeing any listing of it nowhere. Like, me never read know about it. I've never heard of it. More than coming to the community and they're saying that the beacon is up there and the great house is up there. So that's actually surprising, and me have to find that. If it's nothing else I do, I'm gonna find that one. So yeah, I'll come back in proper gears when we can find that. So y'all can support the wish list that is posted on the channel also. That will help me to acquire these gears. more quickly, because a lot of these places, just like the Grampian, I'm gonna need proper gears to go down there. Alright, and I can't afford it right now, so help me please. Alright, yeah man, so we're on our way heading back down. I'll be getting back off this road out in the bath fountain area. I see I can show you some of that, guys, so I'm not make the camera run back at. For some reason the camera run at today. I'm not sure why. Maybe I did format and I film now. However, I'll get back to y'all, alright? Yeah. Yeah guys, so I did not find any of these sites, but as you see for yourself, it was an adventure. However, the beacon up at Beacon Hill, it's the first time I'm hearing about that beacon, and me I go back, like I'm gonna be returning. And for the Grampian, yeah man, I'll take it on. Wicked. I'm gonna plan for it and go and find it. It can't elude me. Alright, the third time, me I go find it. You know, because it's 2 times now, which I've attempted. Well, 1 time I attempt, but it's 2 times I've like wanted to find it. Alright, so I will find it. And with the beacon, I met a young fellow who says he knows where the beacon is and he knows where Grampian is, and why I got mixed up with Grampian. Now let me tell you, Grampian is on like a peninsula. It's in the middle, it's like on an island where the land goes out and 2 rivers run opposite both sides of the land and meet. So people on Afield side would definitely tell me that I had to cross the river. And the people on Beacon Hill side would tell me the same, because there would have been a river to cross. So that is where the confusion was coming in, because me I say like, why may I hear some if you cross the river from Afield side? And may I hear the same thing from Beacon Hill side? Is the building on both sides of the river, or is it a different location? However, guys, I don't want to keep you too long because the video was already long. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so. Or do that now if the video not tired you out. Alright, and yeah man, stay blessed until we meet again.